Hey there, I'm Ejaz, and today we are going to build a mobile application for rotations. Like you can see in the screen, we have taken two rotation here, and it's rotating based on particular durations. So we are going to build the similar kind of app using React Native. We are choosing React Native because it's supporting on both iOS and Android. So I'll try to finish this video as soon as possible so you can learn from here the basic things. So now we are starting. So first of all, actually we have used online editor, and in this online editor, I will give you on the description, so even you can check it out if you have interest on to learn mobile application. Right. So first we will make here I'm just showing the empty like use rotation. I have taken one JavaScript and this is empty. So and similarly app and two images. Okay. So now we will start. So first of all we will import the some component from React and some other component from React Native. So yeah, we are starting now. So I will make it a little bit zoom so it will be easy to see. Okay, so import, I've taken bracket, use ref, and then use effect from React. So this we have imported from React. Now we will import animated from React Native. So import animated from React Native. Okay, now we will export the default class. So export default function, and then use rotation. We will write a function name rotation here, props as argument, and function will start from here. And then we are taking one constant for animation, so const animation, and here we will use hook, and so use ref. This is a inbuilt property of the hooks. So yeah, we have taken that. Now new, and then animated dot values of 0 we are setting initial, and dot current. Right, so till now we have done. Now we will use effect, and then we will so use effect, and here arrow function goes to, we'll take one bracket and we will start one function again. So function start animation. So here the animation will start. So yeah, we started the function, and now we will go for animated dot timing. So we will set some parameter, what is the timing, and the sequence after sequence. Yeah, so now we are writing animated dot timing. Inside that we will pass a parameter animation, comma, then two value we will say, two value we will giving like 360 degrees. It has to move in 360. Duration we will set like 1 second. It's a millisecond, so I have setting 1 second here. It's in milliseconds, so that's why 1000, but it will be like 1 second. Like now use native driver we will take like a true. Okay, so that's it. Now we will close this function, and we will set like animated delay for 2 milliseconds. So animated delay 200, fine, and we will close this ray. So we are closing this. Now it's fine. Now we are setting some more parameter for object like a user native driver true and the start. So we will we will take user native driver 2 and close this, and a start function goes to animation set values. We will set as a 0. So here we set as a 0. Now we will start animation will from here. So start animation we call function called, and you can close this and close the above function. Now we can start for call from here also. So start animation and close the function and close the main function. So now till here it's done. Now we will take one more thing for a rotation. and here we have taken const rotation and then animation, and same thing we will like do in preplate, and here we will say that input range will go from 0 to 360 degree. So input range we will set like 0 to 360, and also output range we will set, output range will be also like 0 degree to 360. Okay, so we set the output range as well. Great. Now we will close this function and we will return rotation in here. So that's it for this one closing. So this function is our ready, I mean the entire things, and we will use this use rotation in our app.js here. So we have taken one more file, so add app.js, this is the main one. So here also we are going to import React and couple of other component from React Native. So we'll starting import React from React. Okay, now import animated, then text view from React Native. Okay, so we have taken. Now we will import these two file here. You can see like images, png images. So we will import that two things. So first one I will import like import logo from food.png. So this is the current folder name, and inside that food.png image is there. Okay, now the second thing also we are taking from dash.png. So we have taken, and we will take a hook here. So whatever function we have written imported, we will just import that thing. So import use rotation from use. So this is the file name, we have imported the same thing. All right, now we are writing export default function app. This is the main app, and inside that we will take two const. So first one is like const we have taken, so we'll take here, so const, and it will be like rotate and use rotation. So this function we called whatever we have written inside that another file. Okay, so now const animated style, and here we will take like transform, take one array, inside that array one object like a rotate, and we will close that. Okay, so now we are returning return, and inside that return view. So this is the main view, and style we have written some style also. So styles equal to dot container, and inside that we will take animated images. So animated dot image. Okay, now we will write some style for this also. So style equal to style dot image. Okay, now animated style we are passing as a second parameter. Great. So now we have defined source. Source we will take like a logo. So first to image. So we have taken logo, and then resize mode we will set like content. So resize mode will be content, and that's it. This is one image happen, whatever you have seen first time on the top for food. Now so for the second thing we are setting like another same thing, animated dot image. This is for second image, and we will set the style as like above, and we will set here source equal to this. Okay, so this is okay, and everything will be same to same like above one. So this is done. Okay, now we will just display one text for loading. So okay, we'll just write one text dot style text margin loading. This will be display on our screen. Okay, so now we will close the view and we are closing the function return and main function. So till here it's done. Now we can notice there is some color here showing. It's not defined, so we have to write a class style for that actually. So we are defining constant styles dot style sheet dot create. Inside that we will take for container, and inside that container we will set flags 1 and justify content center. So justify content will become center and align item will also in the center. Okay, so this is one is done. Now we will move for second CSS. So it will be like image, and we will set some width and height for that image. So width we are taking like 350 whatever, and height also we are setting. Okay, so till here it's done. So we set and the last one we will take for text margin, and text margin we will give like top 30 margin top, and font size we will give some font size 18. Until here it's done. Now we'll close this and close this. So now it's ready, our function. We will go preview and we can see how it's going through that. I mean through the app it will be ready, because we should create first. It will be ready. Let's see. Yeah, so app is getting ready now. It will take some time, so please be there. Yeah, it's connected. Very good. So it's came here. Now you can see our function is ready and it's start rotating on that. Yeah, browser is a little bit slow, so it's taking some time. Right. So it's not something is there. I need to check why it's a yeah. So now it's rotating. Actually, it has taken old values, so it's not a yeah. So you can see now both the images what we have taken. It's rotating nicely, and whatever we discuss, it's as per the plan actually. So I hope you this video, and if you are like this, if you really like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you so much.